jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride. Yes, you know what this is all about, right? You can see my face. Yes, it's Christmas. So Christmas is coming, and that means it's time for Christmas fun. Yes, so we're going to be having a line of Christmas activities, you see, from now, and then we're starting with today's activity. And today's activity is about paper Christmas bell fun. Yes, it's been hot, so we want to start our activity with a Christmas bell, but a hand fan. So we're going to be learning how to make a paper Christmas bell hand fan. Are we ready? Wait, before we go, my name is Okwemi Richardson Awebo, and you're welcome to Blue Blooms Artwork channel. In this world, we learn all about art, and it's always fun-filled learning experience, and there is always a content for everyone. All right, are you eager to create? Yes, I'm eager to create too. Let's create. Let's begin. So we have the bell template, that's the printout. We have Yayyyyyyy glue, craft sticks, we have crayons, markers, and then we have scissors. Yes, scissors. Now we have the pencil. Alright, so it's time to start. Now the first thing we are doing is we're going to cut the bells out. So you can see on the template we have 2 bells. So we cut out the template. Please be careful while cutting. Now our bells are ready. They're out. Okay, so we have 2. You check because your bells would have to be back to back. So you have one, so you have the template on the 2 sides showing. So now it's time to pattern the Christmas bells. So now because the Christmas bells are meant to be used for front and back, we want our pattern to be the same front and back. So as you pattern one, you pattern the other, and you try as much as possible to make sure your design is mirrored, which is the same thing. Awesome. Okay, now it's time to trace. So now we pick any color of marker you want, but now it's beautiful to look at the color of Christmas. Remember, we're working on Christmas design. So the colors of Christmas are, we have blue, we have green, we have red. Now the number 1 is red, yes, but we have green, we have blue, we have gold and silver. Awesome. But in place of gold, we can use yellow. So now we are done tracing. Now it's time to color. So you wonder, why didn't we trace the ribbon? So now the pattern on the ribbon is meant to be the sugar cane pattern. So we don't want that black outlining or any color outlined. So we want to just color it straight up. So that's why you leave that, so that way you get the effect of the sugar cane. Okay, so now it's time to color the body of the bell. So remember, use contrasting colors that are opposite. Remember what we say, you're using a bright color, you use a cool color to make it strike out. So you can see our orange circles are penned with color green. Remember to repeat your design on the 2 bells. The 2 bells have to look alike, the same. Awesome. Now it's time to color the craft stick. So color the craft stick. I want our craft stick to be green. Green is one of the colors of Christmas. You could make yours blue, you know. And the blue for Christmas is royal blue. That is the dark blue. Awesome. So now it's time to glue the craft stick to the back of one of the bell. So apply your glue and then glue to the back gently. So you do that gently. Now pick up the other template. After you've balanced it, pick up the other template to pick up the glue. That will help you to know where to stop on the other part. So now apply glue around the bell and then glue the other part of it. This is what will make it have the front and back finish. Awesome. So glue together properly, gently. Now it's time to add a good finish. So now after gluing it together, you definitely will have whiteout showing. So now you can see all the white extras are gone and our fan is ready. Awesome. Welcome back. That was fun, right? Yes, it was fun. Christmas bell and fan. Yes. So you can see, it's not a jingle bell. Yes, right. Yes, it's not. So you can see now our fan is very functional and you can use it to blow yourself. So you can take it out anywhere because it's very well done. So now we've learned how to double our template, then turn it back to back so that we can have the same design front and back. And also we've also learned how to fix our craft stick to be a handle for a hand fan. We enjoyed the activity. So which of these would you like to try again? Is it the patterning? Is it the turning of the template front and back, gluing it together? Or is it the fixing of the craft stick? If you find my content interesting, please don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. Also, don't forget to drop a comment. It sure will go a long way. Thank you so very much. Looking forward to seeing you again.